eyes so blue, me piercing through. I can't forget the day we met. Your smile so bright, it made me swoon. Our love is like a summer's day, hot and endless in a magic way. Whenever I see you, all I can think is my summer love.
Hello everyone, welcome to the Dino Line. And I'm going to tell you the dinos that I know. Tyrannosaurus Rex, Stegosaurus, Triceratops, and I also know a new one. Its name is Nodosaurus. Like I start to eat, help me eat things like this. And also tell he's. Want to see me jump? Okay. Oh, bye bye.